Marabu's Ultra Glass LEDGF is the next technological step for screen printing on glass.
In this video, we are printing drinking glasses with this new ink system. The Ultra Glass LEDGF is produced without the addition of BPA and Barium Sulfate. Those compounds are being restricted more and more by countries and companies. The ink system is suitable for drinking glasses or single-use bottles. Today we're printing drinking glasses at Rastal in Germany. The glass is being pre-treated using a silane flame. You can use printing meshes of 120 to 180 threads per centimeter. The LEDGF achieves an extremely homogeneous and glossy surface and can be cured using UV or LED lamps. This way the LEDGF plays an important role in energy-saving printing. Post-treatment in an oven or using infrared is recommended for best results. The results are durable and resistant prints with less harmful substances used.